to businesses. So Nnamdi Kanu is not a problem. So Igbo leaders should rise up. Come together and go for your brother. Go for our brother, go for our son.
Well, we all know that even Father Mbaka has done the Igbo way bad than good in the past, and his alliance with the current president in the past was something that nobody wants to talk about, was something that nobody wants to really interfere into. But we are happy that at the end of the day he was able to learn his lesson and come back to his right senses to support the right cause, which is justice and equity to the good people of Igbo land. And now he's calling on all socialites. I'm talking of Emoney, I'm talking of Obi Cubana, and I'm talking of every other person. He's urging everyone, he's urging the entire Igbo nation to stand up, to speak up for this young man. Like you could hear himself from the beginning there, that there is nothing that Nnamdi Kanu that has done so wrong that nobody has done in this country. Yes, and he's urging all these guys to speak up. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe. That's the video I'm about to share with you guys here. If you're new to the channel, please drop a comment in the comment section. Enjoy the video. Tell me what your thoughts are.
Thousands who are more tough than Nnamdi Kanu. In Yoruba land, in Hausa land, in Igbo land, Nnamdi is just a spokesperson. He has never touched an ant. What is he doing there? You think he have arrested who? Even when he has announced the sit at home should stop, people should begin to go for businesses on Monday. But now go out. Even government houses are locked up on Monday. Okay? But then Nnamdi is still there, asking that everybody should go out on Monday to school, to businesses. So Nnamdi Kanu is not a problem. So Igbo leaders should rise up. Come together and go for your brother. Go for our brother, go for our son. Look for where he is. Nnamdi Kanu is a gift to Nigeria. We can't lose him like that. Such an ingenious brain, such a courageous brain cannot be wasted. If the roads are working fine, we say there's no road. If our youth are well employed, we say they're not employed. If farmers are not being killed in the farm, we begin to agitate. How can you be listening? You call for, how about Mama Ngozi then? Oh, she has been killed. What crime did he commit that nobody has ever not committed? I'm not making him a saint either. But I'm saying, with fairness, with equity, the man is crying over the evil in this country. Nigeria is one of the best countries in the whole world. There's no need for these sufferings. We have the best land for agriculture in the whole world. We have the best waters. We have the best ingenious brains in the world. Courageous youths who can do anything to become rich. Look for them in Nigeria. Why can't they be transmutated, transformed, and transfigured into profitable purposes? Engage them significantly and meaningfully. And you are busy looking for those to kill. How many are you going to kill? There are thousands who are more tough than Nnamdi Kanu. In Yoruba land, in Hausa land, in Igbo land, Nnamdi is just a spokesperson. He has never touched an ant. So what is he doing there? You think he have arrested who? Even when what I said, I may not remember. Because I'm just a messenger. As I said, if Nnamdi is being held, I say now we're happier. Mana keji ihe na akanjo. Ojiji Ejike zuru opara. And I pray for justice. In Sunday, Ibogo's house, advocate for the Yoruba's freedom. When the DSS people invaded his house, some people were killed, I think 2 people. And last week, judgment was given himself for 20 billion. See why 20 billion? Where he was arrested, he was released here. Now Nnamdi was arrested and brought to Nigeria. And before he ran away, do you know how many people that were killed in his house? So if 2 people were killed and 20 billion should be paid to Sunday Igbo's family, how much do you think should be paid? So Nnamdi, you can say we should stop calling his name. He's one of my children. I should be calling his name. What crime did he commit that nobody has ever not committed?
Before you put anything into consideration or start judging anyone for not really speaking out about what is actually happening in this country, I want you to ask yourself this question: we the Igbos, are we really fair to ourselves? Do we really do the right thing? Okay, look at the sit-at-home in Owerri a few weeks ago when the president visits the state, and the people, the indigenous people of Biafra there in the state, declared a sit-at-home that day. A lot of people still came out, a lot of government officials, how do you pass the message to the people that we are not happy? The current situation of the land is something that we should not jeopardize or play with. This is a way, and I think even though the socialites try to speak out, which will not really do anything, instead it will affect their businesses and ruin their livelihood, which is a bad thing. And that's the more reason why most of them, and not that they cannot, some of them might even be supporting this cause secretly that we don't even know. Anyway, enjoy this commercial from Cubana Wines. It's actually a brand of their new distilled wine. Enjoy the commercial. Don't forget to subscribe.
Day by day, all the way. Wake up, chase your dreams. They are valid. Work hard. You can be it. Anything. And when you get the reward for hard work, sitting around the table with fellow champions and sharing beautiful memories with loved ones, pop the exquisite luxury premium bottles and cheers to more victories. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you the undisputed trio, Varna, Alexander the Great, and La Reserva Premium. Let's celebrate.